How to fix banned on TikTok Live. First things first, open up your TikTok app like you normally do. Find your profile by tapping on your little picture or icon in the bottom right corner. Look for the 3 little lines in the top right corner. Tap on those. You'll see a bunch of options pop up. Look for settings and privacy and tap on that one. Scroll down until you see something that says report a problem. It's usually near the bottom. Once you find it, give it a tap. Next, look for an option that says live and tap on that. Tap on hosting live. Now, you should see something that says live is suspended. Tap on that one. When it asks if your live is suspended, say no. You'll see this at the bottom of the screen. Give it a tap. Tap on need more help. Now it's time to explain what's going on. Write a nice message to TikTok explaining that you got banned from TikTok Live and you really want them to lift the ban because you love using it. Once you've written your message, hit the submit button to send it off to TikTok. Now, all you can do is wait. TikTok will check out your message and hopefully fix things for you. It might take a few days, so be patient. And there you have it. That's how you navigate through TikTok's support system to fix being banned on TikTok Live. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome content. And hey, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and I wish you all an amazing day ahead.